Okay, so sometimes I get paid through a money order in the mail and I want to cash them.
You should go to 邮局, get in line and say, 我要取汇款.
我要取汇款.
我要 means I like to do something.
我要
取 means draw the money.
取 third tone.
汇款 means the sum of the money sent.
汇款
我要取汇款.
我要取汇款. I'd like to cash this money order. So Yajia, what's the Chinese word for money order?
It's 汇款单.
汇款单, as 汇款 is the sum of the money sent.
You got it. And 单 means order.
单
汇款单.
汇款单 money order.
我要取汇款。
请给我看一下你的汇款单和身份证。
I haven't received a package yet, Yajia, but I'd certainly love to get one. So what do I say if I'm going to pick it up?
First, let's review how to say package in Chinese.
Great. What is it?
It's 包裹.
包裹
包 and 裹 both have the meaning of wrap.
and package means the wrapped and boxed object sent by mail.
So package in Chinese is 包裹.
包裹
Good. And then you can say to the clerk, 我要取包裹.
我要取包裹
我要 I like to do something.
我要
取 means take.
取 and package 包裹
Yes. 我要取包裹.
我要取包裹 I'd like to pick up a package.
我要取包裹。
请给我看一下你的包裹单和身份证。
Then when you pick up a package at the post office, you need to bring some identification.
Right, which in Chinese is
身份证.
身份证
身份 identification.
身份
证 means card.
证
身份证
身份证 identification card. Then what shall I bring if I go to pick up my package?
I think you need to bring your passport. And in Chinese, it's 护照.
护照
外国人取包裹要带什么证件？
应该带上护照。
Keywords reminder. Money order. 汇款单. I'd like to cash this money order. 我要取汇款. I'd like to pick up a package. 我要取包裹. Identification card. 身份证. Passport. 护照. All in today's Chinese studio.
We've run out of time already, Yaj.
Okay, time for our question of the day.
Which is, how do you say, I'd like to pick up a package in Chinese?
明天见。
再见。